Good morning all. Today we will discuss about the line drawing algorithm in computer graphics. So firstly let us understand that what is a line in computer graphics. So a line in computer graphics refers to a line segment which is a portion of the straight line that extends indefinitely in opposite directions. You can see in the figure here P1 and P2 are two endpoints of the line, and this line is extended in the dashed form in opposite direction, right? And the equation of the line is y equals to mx plus p, where m is the slope value and p is the y-intercept of line. So now we will see what is DDA algorithm. It is the simplest algorithm for line. DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer, and this algorithm has the major property that it is an incremental scan conversion method. By incremental scan conversion method, I mean that if I want to calculate the new value at particular point of the line, then I need to know the previous value of the line, right? So suppose I want to calculate the second value, then I should be known with the first value. So let's see how it works. Suppose at step I, we have calculated xi and yi as the coordinates of the particular point in line. The next point, that is x of I plus 1 by of I plus 1. Here note one thing, that plus 1 doesn't mean that there will be unit increment. It only states that this is the next successive point, right? So we know that m equals to del y upon del x. So where del y equals to y of I plus 1 minus y means the difference between two successive values of y. Similarly, del of x equals to difference between two successive values of x, right? So from del y we can calculate m delta x, and y of I plus 1 value can be calculated on the basis of the previous value of yi. Like in the case of delta x equals to del y upon m, and we can also calculate the value of xi plus 1, right? So next we will see how actually the DDA algorithm works. So two main cases arise in DDA algorithm. First is when the value of mod of m, where m is the slope, is less than or equals to 1, then we will start with x equals to x1 dash, where x1 dash is the starting point of the line, and y equals to y1 dash. And we are considering here that x1 dash will be less than x2 dash. So next, in this case, we will set delta x equals to 1, means there will be unit increment in the value of x at every point. The y coordinate of the successive point can be calculated as yi plus 1 minus yi equals to m delta x, we know already, and yi plus 1 equals to yi plus m into delta x. Since delta x equals to 1, so yi plus 1 equals to yi plus m. Means if I want to calculate y2, then it will be y2 equals to y1 plus m, right? So second case is when mod of m is greater than 1. Here we will start with x equals to x1 dash and y equals to y1 dash. That is the starting point of the line. And in this case, we are assuming that y1 dash will be less than y2 dash, right? So we will set delta y equals to 1, means the next value of y will be 1 plus the previous value, right? So here xi plus 1 minus xi equals to del y upon m, we know that. So we can calculate here xi plus 1 equals to xi plus 1 by m, right? Now I have placed 1 here instead of delta y because we know that in this case delta y will be 1. So this process continues until x reaches x2 dash, means starting point reaches end point in the case when m mod is less than or equals to 1, and in another case where m mod should be greater than 1. This algorithm will stop when y will reach y2 dash, right?